Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I trust you're all doing great. James from JTS Maths Tutoring here. Today, I'm going to be looking at question 5 under Supplementary Exercises in Elementary Linear Algebra by Howard Anton and Chris Rorres. Chapter 1, Systems of Linear Equations and Matrices. So let's get going. Use Gauss Jordan elimination to solve for x prime and y prime in terms of x and y. All right, the very first thing that I'm going to do here is to multiply both equations by 5 to remove that fractional component. And I'm now going to convert the resulting new equation to an augmented matrix form. Since the question is specifically asked us to use Gauss Jordan elimination, it means I'm going to apply my row operations till I arrive at matrix in reduced row echelon form. All right. So, okay. So after multiplying by 5, this is what I'm going to get right here. So, you know, what I want is to have a 1 right here, to have a 0 here, to have a 1 right here, and to have a 0 right here. Beautiful. Let's get going. So the ideal way to actually do your row operations is to actually do it column by column. And take note, avoid introducing fractions at a very early stage. I could have started by dividing 2 out by 3, but I can see I'm actually going to involve fractions right from the word go, of which that is what I'm actually trying to avoid. So what I can actually do is to actually multiply row 1 by -1 and then add row 2 to get a new row 1, which is just as good as subtract row 1 from row 2. Okay, 4 minus 3 here, you get the 1, which is what I have right here. It's going to give me a 7 right here. 5y minus 5x, which is what I have right here. Okay, beautiful. Remember here, what was actually tampered with, it was row 1, row 2 was not affected. All right, so I need to have the 0 where this 4 is right here. I'm going to multiply row 1 with a -4 and then add row 2 to it. So -4 multiplied by 1, that's going to give me a -4 plus 4, it's going to give me the 0 where I want it right here. -4 multiplied by 7, that's going to give me -28 plus 3, it's going to give me -25 right here. -4 multiplied by 4y minus 5x, that is going to give me -20y here plus a +20x, which is exactly what I have right here. Beautiful. All right. My next step is to have a 1 right here where this -25 is here. So what I'm actually going to do there is to multiply row 2 with a -25. Okay, beautiful. Okay, with not a -25, but a -1 over 25. Right here, and it's gonna give me -20x over 25 in the positive 15y over 25, which is exactly what I have right here. I can actually continue with my row operations, but I can see something very interesting right here. So I've actually decided to simplify this expression right here before going on with my row operations, which is gonna give me what I have right here. So I wanted to have a 0 where this 7 is here. So I'm going to multiply row 2 with a -7, then I'm going to add row 1, okay? So let's get going. -7 multiplied by 0, that's going to be 0, 0 plus 1, that's going to give me a 1, okay? Beautiful, nothing has changed there. -7 minus, okay, it's a -7 plus 7, it's going to give me a 0 right here. Okay, so -7 multiplied by 3 over 5y, this is going to give me -21y over 5 plus row 1, which is this 5y, so that's going to give me +25. So 25y minus 21y, that's going to give me a 4y, which is exactly what I have right here. Then -7 multiplied by -4 over 5, this is going to give me a +28 over 5x minus 5x there, that's going to give me 28 over 5 minus 25, which is going to give me a +3 over 5x, which is exactly what I have right in what reduced to echelon form. So from there, we just conclude that the corresponding system of equations based on this matrix, which we have right here, is x prime is equal to 3 over 5x plus 4 over 5y. Y prime is equal to minus 4 over 5x plus 3 over 5. See that, Jimmy? You threw that mouse away. Allow me to do what my mama taught me. She would say a good visitor knows when to leave, or she would say a good dancer knows when to leave the dance floor. Till we meet again, be rest assured that at JTSMS Tutoring, we are committed to keeping you mathematically informed. Adios, amigas and amigos.